Today we are filming the unboxing of the August Smart Lock Pro, including the August Connect Wi-Fi bridge. This package arrived yesterday and I ordered it from Amazon. It is Amazon Alexa compatible as well as Google Assistant. And we're gonna install this today a little later in a second video, but this is just the unboxing. Okay, I just had to cut open the tape here and here, and now we're able to unbox the August Smart Lock Pro. It's a nice red box. Let's see if that opens up nicely. This looks nice for the video, so it opens up like a book. And then we have here the Wi-Fi Connect bridge, and there is the actual August Smart Lock. And then here we just have the piece that attaches to the door, and it's stuck in there pretty well, so we'll work on that. And then here's just a little booklet with the instructions, some tape, and that's really it. So this was the unboxing of the August Smart Lock Pro with the August Connect Wi-Fi bridge.